European Capital of Smart Tourism 2022, Valencia.
Buenos días, from Valencia. Estamos más que emocionados por haber sido nombrados Capital Europea del Turismo Inteligente para el 2022 por la Unión Europea.
Valencia es un lugar donde la historia se encuentra con la vanguardia. La tercera ciudad más grande de España, el Patrimonio Mundial de la UNESCO, convive con una vibrante creatividad multidisciplinar, situada entre campos de huerta, playas y parques naturales. Valencia es el destino que satisface los deseos de cualquier viajero. 2,2 millones de visitantes disfrutan de todo esto en primera persona cada año.
Bienvenidos a Valencia. It's really incredible. You have to come here.
We try our best to integrate tourism into the city's dynamism. It contributes to the quality of life instead of reducing it. Valencia is the first city in the world to measure and certify its tourism carbon footprint by using smart data to manage potential negative impacts on public life and spaces, from irregular accommodation to noise pollution. The city encourages the use of hybrid and electric vehicles in public transport and promotes bike sharing. We live for Mediterranean hospitality, and we want everyone to feel included.
Bienvenidos a Valencia.
¡Valencia!
Valencia City Council promotes universal accessibility of urban spaces, beaches, public transport, and cultural facilities. Smart devices like Map Voice help visitors with disabilities to make the most of their stay. The Valencia Accessible Guide features all the information you need to get around. Our city might be 2,000 years old, but we nonetheless believe in a future shaped by new technologies. Valencia uses data intelligence to manage tourist resources, public services, and citizen space for heritage and climate protection, greater inclusion, and an improved travel experience for our visitors. Valencia is a smart city benchmark, exercising its leadership in international forums, working groups, and networks. Valencia's architecture tells the changing history of our city and takes visitors on a journey involving all their senses. Over 140 cultural venues and 35 festivals make Valencia an inspiring destination throughout the year. In 2022, the city will host the Goya Awards ceremony as well as the Michelin Gala, and is going to be the World Design Capital. It's going to be a landmark year for us.
Innovación con un toque mediterráneo. Valencia es creativa, inteligente de corazón y quiere predicar con el ejemplo.
Estamos encantados de que nos hayan dado el título de Capital Europea del Turismo Inteligente, cooperando con las empresas locales y los residentes, participando activamente en redes nacionales e internacionales y ofreciéndoles el mejor momento de su vida. Prompte es veiem en Valencià.